In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Zoho Books, whether you're interested in custom reports, transactions, or full data backups. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable with every step of the process. First things first, to get started, make sure you are logged into your Zoho Books account. This is your gateway to accessing the various reports and data you need. Once logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the Reports section. You'll find this conveniently located in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This section hosts a variety of modules and reports such as invoices, payments, and the general ledger. Select the specific report or module that you're interested in working with today. After you've opened the desired report, look over to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the export option. Clicking this will lead you to the next crucial decision, choosing the format in which you'd like to export your data. You have several options available, including PDF, CSV, and XLS. Each format serves different purposes, so you might choose PDF for a more polished, easy-to-read presentation, CSV for raw data that you can further manipulate in a spreadsheet application like Excel, or XLS for seamless integration with Excel's features. Once you've picked your preferred format, go ahead and save the file to your computer. Do keep in mind that this approach is perfect for extracting specific data sets like last quarter's invoice summaries, detailed tax reports, or an analysis of sales by customer. Always tailor your export to match your unique informational needs. Now, moving on to the comprehensive part of today's session, the full data backup. Should you wish to back up all of your organization's data in Zoho Books, this is the way to do it. Start by clicking on the settings icon, which you'll find at the top right, resembling a gear. Under the data administration section, choose the data backup option. Here, you'll have the opportunity to click on request backup. What happens next is Zoho Books will prepare a comprehensive package of your data. This includes everything from invoices and bills to credit notes, your chart of accounts, various reports, and even attachments. Expect these files to be delivered in a CSV format packaged in a zip file. As the backup process might take a little time, patience is key. You'll receive a download link via email once it's ready. Alternatively, this download link will also be accessible on the same data backup page you used to request the backup. Simply click the link when you receive it and proceed to download the zip file to your system, and there you have it. You're now equipped to export both specific data sets and complete data backups from Zoho Books. Happy exporting, and always ensure your critical data is backed up and secure.